Welcome. If you are looking for downloaded files in your ALCATEL freeway, in a few steps I'm going to show you where you can find these files. So for the first, I'm going to download something. I'm going to take this photo. Click hold, tap on the download. We have to accept the access to the storage. So enter the permission and leave this marker activated. Go back. Right now it is downloading and it's finished, right? So we are going to find it in the file manager. Click allow. And right now just tap on the downloads. And as you can see right here, we got our photo from the Google Chrome. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!